As the Nike Dunk begins to move past its peak after years of cultural reign, the brand is steering into riskier, more adventurous territory to keep the silhouette fresh. One of the boldest expressions yet is the Nike Dunk Low Crocodile, set to release in fall 2025 via Nike.com. Cloaked entirely in faux croc-textured leather, the upper features a sleek carbon green shade from front to back, exuding luxury and edge. Tonal suede swooshes and heel overlays provide a subtle material contrast without breaking the color scheme. A nylon tongue adds another layer of texture, while the olive-tone sole unit completes the cohesive look. For a touch of flair, metallic gold embroidery appears on both the tongue and heel tabs, offering a glint of premium styling. While the Dunk may no longer dominate headlines, this daring execution shows Nike's creative drive remains strong, ushering in new energy for the aging but iconic silhouette.